In this tutorial, we're going to go through the steps in setting up a SimChart assignment. First, you'll want to click on SimChart Setup. This will take you to the SimChart portal. Click on Elsevier Content. Select the case study, simulation, or EHR that you want to use. You can use the drop-down menu to select and then click copy and then click OK. Once you select the folder you want it to go into, click yes. Now you'll want to click assign, click OK. You'll want to probably opt out of the emails. Click submit. And now we'll go into our course. We'll want to refresh the screen. And go ahead and look, and there it is. It looks like it's copied over correctly. And from here, you can go ahead and assign a due date. The points, and we can go ahead and give it a grading category. And click save. And click save, and there it is, and that's all it takes. Very easy.